Hello everyone and welcome to another video by CashFlow Rebels. Today we're going to go over my year-end portfolio for dividend investing. First, I wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody and welcome to 2022. Our video today will go over my dividend portfolio and give details on my strategy for 2022. Before we start, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see some cool content about dividend investing. So in my last video, I gave details about my account in a 30-day period from October to November. And each month I only contributed $50. This is really all I can afford for now, but I'm hoping to increase it this year. The other $50 I get each month is in dividend payouts. It was nice to see that in this 30-day time frame, it made over $400, a solid 10% gain just in capital appreciation. I know this won't happen every month. But what I do know is every month, the miracle of compounding occurs. This is the consistent compounding of dividends being reinvested and getting that monthly payout to increase. The end of the year came out nice, and my total dividends for 2021 was $518.96. And then to see my total value of this portfolio is roughly about $5,495.46. It was really cool to see each month the dividends starting to grow. And also nice to see my new dividend payout increase to about $60 each month for 2022. Each stock that I own now will also have an increase in dividends, and this helps out my total growth. A lot of cool changes are happening now in the market, and I plan to go over details in my next video. I will go over each stock that I own and also get into some other topics about stocks and the crypto market. My main strategy for 2022 will be to keep each contribution of $50 and the dividend payouts and to wait each month and contribute it to one of my main stocks. I use a journal to write down all my research for new stocks. I added a link in the description if you'd like to try out my journal for your own research. I would really appreciate your support for this channel, and thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video.